Welcome to Home Organizing for Beginners. I'm Tammy, your home organizing educator. In each episode, I share a microscopic home organizing topic. That just means it's something you can implement today from start to finish if you so choose. Today's microscopic home organizing topic is tidying up. Do you have little piles of stuff scattered here and there around your home? Maybe a bit of clean clothes sitting on a chair because you've just not had time to put them away. Or the mail from yesterday is sitting on the counter because you just haven't gotten to it yet. The dirty dishes are sitting in the sink or on the counter, kids' dirty socks laying on the floor in the living room, used tissues sitting on the coffee table. I know, that's gross. Or an empty Gatorade bottle on the fireplace mantle. These are reality. They're reality in my life. They're probably reality in yours as well. Maybe you're feeling like now it's time to carve out an hour or two to get it all cleaned up. Perhaps there's another solution though, right? As someone who is or feels like they're just starting their home organizing journey, you want to be set up for lasting home organizing solutions, right? In order to make that happen, you're going to have to do something different than you've done before, or maybe even what society tells us. Instead of making time to clean everything up all at once, you can utilize the 2-minute rule throughout the day. In this episode, I'll share with you what the 2-minute rule is, why it works, and how to implement it today, right this minute or this 2 minutes. A wise mentor of mine once told me that if you can do something in 2 minutes or less, you need to do it right away. The 2-minute rule is just that. If something can be done in 2 minutes or less, do it. Get it done. For example, if you have a couple of shirts laying on the chair in your bedroom, you can probably hang them up or fold them and put them away in less than 2 minutes. If the mail from yesterday is sitting on the counter, you can put it where it belongs in less than 2 minutes. And I don't mean opening it up, resolving it, responding, whatever the case may be. We're talking about tidying up, not processing papers. Kids' dirty socks laying on the floor in the living room. It definitely takes less than 2 minutes to tell them to put the dirty clothes in a basket. I realize it'll probably take them 2 days to do it though, right? It'll take less than 2 minutes to pick them up and put them where they belong. Same thing with the used tissues. Less than 2 minutes to throw them in the trash. Do you see what the 2-minute rule is? It isn't 2 minutes added together either. Although sometimes you make such quick progress, you wind up tying together several 2-minute blocks of time. And that's okay too. When you shift your thoughts to what can be done in 2 minutes or less, your mind breaks things down into tiny chunks. You stop feeling and thinking everything has to be tidied all at once, which requires a large block of time, right? This process can inspire you. Once you start making progress, you become motivated by it, and this keeps the process going. You stop walking past the dirty socks thinking you'll wait until you have time to clean the entire house. You pick them up right away, which keeps your home tidy. Does that make sense? This episode is probably longer than it's going to take you to implement it right now. When you're home, look around. What do you believe can be done in 2 minutes or less? What are the things that are making your home look like a mess? Some of these things can be done as you walk by, going from the kitchen to the bedroom, right? As you think this way, share it with your family, direct them, teach them. This small shift in thinking will change everything in terms of having a tidy home. Do you have a specific home organizing challenge that you just feel like you're hitting a dead end on? I can help. You can ask me anything about home organizing by going to www.homeorganizingforbeginners.com and clicking the Ask Me Anything link. I look forward to helping you resolve your home organizing challenges. Remember, you can tidy up in 2 minutes or less. Join me again next week. You'll learn a process to keep your kids' closets and drawers more organized. Thanks so much and have a great day.